Today is our friend Adit's boxing match, and for the first time ever, he's entering a ring as a professional fighter. So Nishok and I are currently in a cab headed towards Sarjapura where the event is happening, and we're gonna cheer for Adit, hope for the best. He's been practicing for this match for many months. He's cut a lot of weight. He's given it his best. So let's hope that he wins it. But also, his opponent is not a first timer. He's fighting somebody who's already won 2 matches.
Yeah.
So he's fighting somebody who's 2-0. As a first timer, that can be intimidating, but I'm sure that Adit is confident in his preparation. Also, yesterday was Calvin Harris. I didn't vlog yesterday, but we had a lovely time at the concert.
Yeah, crazy time, bro.
Crazy time, but Nishok had an even crazier time. Our Bobby got into a fist fight in the middle of the concert. So Calvin started playing at 8 p.m. and around 8:30, Nishok got into a fight. So tell us what happened, bro.
Bro, so no, Kavan is my twin, bro. So some dude started pushing Kavan, and Kavan, what he did, he just pushed him to the side, and he's like, bro, whatever you want, do it on the other end. So that dude was like, oh, how dare you push me? How dare you push me? He started pushing Kavan, and I was like, bro, you don't touch my friend. And he's like, tu kya kar lega? I said, okay, I can curse.
Yeah, curse.
I said, teri maan chod dunga idhar hi. Then he said, chod ke dekha. And then after that, one punch I gave him on his face, okay? And then he caught my collar.
Just letting you all know, before this happened, that dude caught Nishok's collar, ripped his collar. I'll put a picture of his t-shirt. That dude had torn Nishok's shirt, and Nishok landed one punch on that guy, belted the fuck out of him, and Nishok, his hand was swollen.
Yeah.
He landed one big right hand.
Yeah, and clean right hand that clipped him on the side of his face over here. And then he started wobbling like this. So it's crazy, bro. Crazy experience.
Yeah, so in the middle of the concert, this happened. What is funny is, I didn't vlog yesterday. And the day I don't vlog, only all this happens.
Yeah, you vlogging. Imagine I'm fighting, giving him one punch, and you're like, oh yeah, let's go, Nishok, let's go, bro. One clean upper hand, bro. My hand is still hurting, but bro, what a clean cut, bro. Right here, guys.
The crazy part is, that dude also had some friends with him.
Yeah.
But his friends didn't back him up.
Bro, so his friends were right behind him, right? And the moment I landed the punch, they all started shitting bricks and they started moving back. So they left him. See, it's all fun and games till like you get fucking punched, right? And
Yeah.
once you get punched, you start shitting in your pants. That fucker deserved it, bro. And he started saying shit to like our female friends, saying that, will you marry me and shit like that. Like why the fuck would you say things like that, right? So like, bro, all of that put together, I got really angry and I just sent him, bro.
Regardless, Calvin was a good show.
For sure.
The organizers could have done better in terms of, carpeting the floor. Too much dust.
Too much dust.
But the Calvin set was nice. We were actually running a little late for Adit's fight.
He's getting ready, it seems.
Bro, why are we always late, bro? We are running on BST, Bangalore Standard Time. Bobbies, we've just reached. Adit's match is next. Bro, Nishok, this looks a little high level, Noda.
Yeah, bro.
They are sending it, no, bro. Fuck.
Reminded me of last night. Bro, this is insane. That too, no headgear, bro.
Fuck, I thought they'll be wearing headgear, bro.
Yeah, even I thought. He's already bleeding from his nose.
Adit is here. He's getting in the zone. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it.
Let's get it, boys.
Nishok is going to be the ring boy with him.
Yeah.
He's gonna carry the water bottle.
Excited.
It's time for his match now. That's Adit in red. We got this, bro. Let's go. This is his opponent. He has already fought 2 matches in the past. He is 2-0. He knows this venue very well because he's the home athlete. He's from Creed Combat Studio. The guy in blue is good. Keep it up, Adit. Keep it up. Come on. Again, to remind, Adit is the one in red. His opponent is in blue. Oh. Shit, he tagged Adit. Shit, looks like Adit is bleeding. 2 rounds done. Adit landed a few good blows in the second round. Come on, Adit. So that was the fight. It's time for the result now.
The winner of bout number 9. In the blue corner, Abhinav Kumar.
Bro, salute to Adit to voluntarily get into that ring.
It's insane.
Bro, insane. Adit had some good punches, but the other guy was just way too experienced.
Yeah.
Plus, this is his home gym.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that the guy in blue is from the Creed studio itself.
Home advantage, bro. I
But
felt that was a disadvantage.
No matter what, bro, for a first fight, I think Adit did insane.
Insanely well.
He
yeah.
kept up his this thing till the final round. He landed a few good hits. Well done, bro, Adit. All his friends are here. These guys came 20 minutes after the fight ended.
Baga, Hari had some hectic scene at home, bro.
Yeah, Hari was busy, that's why Coven got delayed. But I'll tell you, somebody who saw it ringside, for a first match against a professional boxer, Adit did very well. Just lasting in a ring with somebody who's 2-0 and who's much older. That dude has been boxing for a long
I
time.
saw him standing outside.
For that itself, Adit deserves all the respect.
Fair.
Yeah.
We'll go celebrate.
Yeah, we'll celebrate now. Now we're gonna take Adit's car, Hari's car, and go to Indranagar. I have my meals. Are you carrying?
No.
I'll give you my meal, bro.
Thanks for giving me.
love you last.
What are you doing, bro?
for giving me
What
all
are you
the
doing,
meals.
bro?
Thanks for giving me all the meals.
Bobbies, we've now come to Indranagar for some post-boxing match refeed. Adit has been dieting for way too long. He can finally have his first beer. Right? How long has it been?
3 months.
3 months, bro. His first beer now. I'm not gonna drink, neither am I gonna eat out. I have my meal prep in the bag.
Roles are reversed.
Roles have reversed, yeah. Now it's my time to lock in. Adit was locked in for too long. We are on 12th main. We're waiting for Kavin, Hari, and Nishok to pull up.
But now my bulk phase is going to start. You'll train me out.
Like lean bulk.
Yeah, lean bulk.
But you still want to continue boxing?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to up your category? You're at 70, 72 now, right?
Yeah.
Fight at what?
No, bro, I'll tell you what I want to do. I want to put on muscle to 75
Ah.
and then again fight at 70 because I feel like
yes,
I can be
yes.
I can still be leaner.
Correct, correct.
I was not
The
like-
more muscle you have, the better. All the best athletes are the leanest in their category, bro.
Yeah, I can get-
Especially under 80 kgs.
Yeah. I think I can get even leaner, bro.
You definitely can.
I still didn't have visible abs and all. I can still get it. So that's why I think do like a lean bulk to 75
Correct.
and then like keep it at 75 and then like when I fight cut down to 70 and
Yeah.
like, fight.
Adit is relatively new to weight training. So he will respond fast if the structure is right. Where are we going?
Went to mini bar.
Mini bar. Oh.
Mini bar. Cheapest beer in Bangalore.
Cheapest beer in Bangalore. Oh.
And like very good Thai green curry.
Thai green curry. Yeah, I'd love to try. Unfortunately, can't eat today, bro. I'm saving calories for my birthday, bro. This is mini bar where Adit is doing his post-boxing match chill. Here's the cheapest beer in Bangalore for Adit. 67 rupees for 230 ml. Say bye, da. Okay, Bobby, say bye to Top G. Nishok is also leaving with Top G. They're going home.
Bye, boy.
Yeah. What is Top G gonna do with Nishok now?
I want to hump him, bro.
You're gonna hump him, huh?
Practice my.
Wait, careful, da. You're 1-0. You'll become 1-1. Top G, you can't beat. Kavin and I are now going to his house.
BMTC, bro.
BMTC. We're taking the bus. See you, da. Why am I going to his house?
Why are you coming to my house? Even I don't know, bro.
Yeah, to fuck around, bro.
Fuck, you're becoming like Hari, bro.
Hurry, bro. Fuck around, bro. I have one more dinner in my bag, by the way.
I have one more dinner in my fridge, bro.
Oh, chicken and rice.
Probably, bro, yeah.
Best thing ever, bro. What happened?
My chicken breast is unmarinated. I have
Unmarinated.
to go home and like make it.
That's fine. We'll show the audience how Kavin marinates his chicken and eats
Today
it.
you decide, bro, what marination. We'll see what spices are there in my house.
I'll give you my tandoori marinade recipe.
I had tandoori yesterday. Only.
Oh, we'll try to make Alishan at home.
But, I mean, we can try. Bro, see, in my house, basic Indian spices obviously are there. What is Alishan comprised of, bro?
We
don't
will
know.
call the Alishan owner. Sir, आपका वो secret recipe बताना एक बार.
You do the calling. Bro. if you get all his ingredients, no, sure, we can try to make Alishan.
It's okay. Don't give me 10 ingredients. Give me 9.
Sure.
I'll work without one. The one should be
Sure,
salt
sure,
that you
sure,
don't tell.
Sure, bro.
Because they somehow always put extra salt in Alishan. That was the joke if you didn't get it.
We can try.
We can try, huh?
If you get the ingredients, we can try because basic Indian spices I've got at home.
You have air fryer also, right?
I do have air fryer.
We'll use air fryer for the final charring.
Hope that my sister hasn't taken it, but I think it is there at home.
Okay. Let's go, bruv. BMTC with Kavin. By the way, this is the second time we're taking BMTC together. We are walking to Domlur, and from Domlur, there's a direct bus to Kavin's house.
Yo, it's basically to my house, bro. The bus stop is like what, 5 minutes from my house?
Yeah, but the last 5 minutes is where all the mystery lies, bro. No delivery agent is able to locate the house, you know. Bro, we've been walking non-stop for the last 25 minutes. I'm sweating. This bag is making it worse. But over the last 20 minutes, Kavin and I spent time finalizing the ingredients for our Alishan tikka that we're gonna make at home. There might be one or two ingredients which we might not have.
No, turns out I have pretty much everything. Only cashew paste is a bit of a problem.
I'll push you in this, bro.
Walk this road 100 times. If I fall into it today, no, it will be my demise, bro. The day I fall into this is the day my life ends, bro.
Bro, are you telling me because of this sewer you didn't buy KGF membership?
Not KGF, by the way. First of all,
KGF. KGA, Karnataka Golf.
Bro, that time, see, today Indranagar is a developed place, bro. That time, all this was not there. By the
Let's
crow
first
flies or whatever.
explain them what we're talking about. KGA is Karnataka Golf Association. It's a club here, which right now is one of the most sought after club memberships.
I know, I wouldn't even say one of the most. I think today, Bangalore Club is like number 1/2. KGA is the other one, which is 1/2.
Got
and I
it.
think KGA is taking it over.
And the membership is what?
Say 70-75 lakhs.
Okay.
On top of waiting for 30-40 years. Like
Yeah.
Adit waited for, his dad waited for 25 years.
To get a KGA membership. And the reason apparently Kavan's grandparents didn't take KGA membership is because it was right next to that sewer. You know what's crazy? Our Bobby Adit has never taken us to KGA.
Now he'll take us, bro. The cut is over.
Yeah.
He's a little chill now. He'll ready to eat food and all.
His cut
He'll
is over, I am locked in.
Yeah. Oh.
Mine too, I've done some generational lock-in, bro.
But you get good chicken tikka white rice.
Oh, thank you, God. By the way, the next time your girlfriend is in town, let's go on a double date to this Rosmarino Italian restaurant.
I have never seen this.
Food is decent, but it's a beautiful place. It's right here in Carlton Towers.
My medical renewal is here.
Oh, you come here. But you've never seen this place, huh? Rosmarino? It's a vibe, beautiful place. Like, I'm not a fan of Italian food apart from pizza.
Yeah.
But because the place is so pretty, you can definitely go on a date.
Can give it a shot.
Will do. We out here in the BMTC writing down our final recipe to make homemade Alishan.
Cashew nut paste is the only thing I don't have.
We'll just nut. Bangalore bus, BMTC. Goated. The connectivity is insane. I'm sure it has better connectivity than any other city ka bus network.
Yeah, like people come to Bangalore, abuse our metro network, which I don't blame y'all. But our bus network you cannot abuse. You can go to some fucking Hubli or Halli on the end
Anywhere.
of
You
Bangalore.
can go anywhere in Bangalore in BMTC.
Yeah.
Bobbies, we have reached Kavan's area. But before we walk into the house, stop at Shell. We'll buy one Diet Coke.
My house is there only, bro. The shell's like, no.
Don't tell them. Don't tell them
My
where.
house is not here, bro.
He's telling house address exactly, bro. Let your house be a mystery. I'll take Gatorade instead of Diet Coke. Oh, why am I accidentally picking the orange one? I want the blue one.
Shefali influence.
Shefali influence, bro. She's watching this and giggling right now, I'm just sure. Home sweet home, Bobbies. Now we're gonna chill, drink this Gatorade, and try to make Alishan.
I'll do my best for today.
Pull up to Kavan's house, and the first thing he offers is cheesecake.
This is leftover. One of your subscribers ordered. His name is Rajiv.
Huh.
He ordered. So he ordered 500 grams cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake. This is leftover, bro.
Oh, I hope you liked it, Rajiv.
He loved it, bro. He sent message on.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
one of these days, I have an idea. Whoever orders from your mom,
We'll go deliver. Huh?
yeah.
I knew that small failure. Bro.
But for my birthday, I'm thinking I'll ask your mom to make one almond cake, bro.
Yeah, bro.
And one cute wishes. Happy birthday, Mohit. Now we wash our hands and face before starting the cooking procedures. You see these bracelets? These are from yesterday's concert. Kavan gave these to me. Kavan has pulled out the spice dabba, and his first question to me is,
Bro, Dhanya and Jeera, I keep getting confused which one, bro. So I don't know which one it is.
which one? See, bro, this is whole jeera. Okay, smell this.
Okay.
Now, whichever thing smells closest to this is the jeera powder. Man snorted some also. Man literally put it inside. You know, you can smell from far away also. Tell us about your concert last evening, no?
Great concert, bro. I had a really great time, bro.
Huh? Man can't go 1 week without getting into a fight.
Bro, I didn't. You are okay. We didn't do anything, bro. This guy kept pushing because he was
This
fighting.
guy who, me or what? Tell who?
Some random guy, bro. He kept pushing, bro, because he was fighting with someone else, and I got irritated. After some time, I pushed him away. I was like, "You do what you want." So then he tried to take Ponga with us. Then he got what he deserved, bro. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
Nishok socked him, so did I.
Nishok landed on big right hand, and then Coven grabbed his head, handed him on the floor.
Could have been worse, bro. But when Kardiga Bobby came in like a bit bitty yakidella.
By the way, you know, we all look like decent chaps now, but in our prime, we were all little.
Peak prime Nishok, bro.
Oh, peak prime Nishok, boss. Go to Bayapnalli, okay? And ask Nishok. Everybody will know. Our Bobby has got into fights with every single person. Now he's full washed, okay? Now he's on cute sisya. But back in the day when we were 18, 17 and all of us used to just get into fights. Okay, let's start. Alishan.
Make some cuts in the meat, bro. Do we want whole breast Alishan or do we want...
Obviously not whole breast.
Then I-
For starters, it would have been better if we had thigh, but looks like we're keeping it very lean today.
It's a fat breast, bro. Look at this shit, bro.
Oh my god. All the juices are on the camera. Good size, bro. The secret ingredient, cashews. Now we didn't have regular cashews. These are baked salted cashews. So we're gonna put these in some hot water. We're gonna let it soften a little bit, then grind it up. We'll grind it with our hands, bro.
V is crazy. You are grinding it, bro. I'm doing the rest of the marinade.
I'm good at grinding anyways. So far we have our chicken breast. We have jeera powder, lal mirch powder. What's going in next?
Curd, bro. Hung curd and all we don't have, bro. Not that fancy.
But don't you think we have to let that be in the water for a bit longer?
It's not even remotely this thing.
It's not even remotely soft.
Yeah, it takes...
Just like me. Still hard. Bobbies, we are making elaichi powder at home. Why am I doing all the hard work? I literally have my meal prep.
Hey man, your idea.
But if we get the recipe,
If it hits, it hits, bro. I mean, worth a shot today.
we'll add it to the Big Man cookbook. Okay, I think that's good enough powder.
You should tell me, bro. I've never done grinding and all. Food, bro, food.
Oh, food grinding. We've all done grinding, guys. Now let's make cashew paste. Yeah. Come on.
Quite easily done, bro.
Yeah.
When you and I grind, everything is correct, bro.
When Kavan and I grind, less than a teaspoon of oil there.
Guys, this brush, this thing is goated if you wanna like manage your oil consumption.
Which oil are we using?
I have no idea.
Let me smell.
It's probably sunflower.
Sunflower.
Yeah.
Let's go, bro. Alishan at home.
Not smelling too bad, if I'm being very honest.
So, smells perfectly fine, but I can tell that there's not enough chili powder.
Spice, yeah.
We could use some more because I think the chili powder he has at home is Kashmiri lal mirch, which doesn't really have that much spice in it. Tere khatir nash karenge. Guys, lately I'm hooked to Masoom Sharma. He's too good, bro. Haryanvi songs by Masoom Sharma, the best. Alright, Bobbies, we now transfer this Alishan into our air fryer to give it that char and finish. Right now it's about 70% cooked. We'll finish the rest 30 in the fryer itself. Also, don't crowd your air fryer. Always leave some space so that it cooks evenly. Because why? Air fryer works on the principle of
Heat?
air convention.
Oh, I have no
I'm
idea.
just making that up. I don't know. While we're waiting for the chicken to finish off, Kavan is eating this cheesecake with Nutella. Oh my god.
Guess how many calories this is.
Guess so.
That's crazy.
60 calories.
Hey, solid 53.
53.
8 grams is 53 calories. This is about 8 grams. That's a solid.
Bro,
now
me and all-
you know, big man, bro. Now you
Me
know.
and all experienced with smell only I can tell calories. Oh. Guys, I'm not even taking a bite of that.
Guys, I keep room because I know Mo's a better man than me, bro. I can't be that locked in. I keep room for shit like this.
Me and all, when we lock in, it's a generational lock in,
It's
bro.
a retarded lock-in, bro. He locks in like a retard. Like level of lock-in is crazy.
Ah, I can see some color.
That is not too far off from the real thing, bro.
Alright, Bobby's first round of Alishan Tikka at home. And I broke the air fryer. Yeah, that's cooked through, bro. Same Alishan. I kid you not, same.
Fucking no way.
Same Alishan.
No way.
Is this dry because it's not dry?
Seriously?
Same Alishan. Take. Same Alishan.
That's not too far off. Actually.
That's not too far. Alright, Bobby, it's time to get going. Good night to Kavin.
Started, bro.
Yeah, started. I'll see you in the next vlog.